guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm vlogging because I just felt like vlogging today. It's like 11, no, it's 12:34. I actually woke up at like 10, but I just stayed in bed just watching TV. I was like, I need to get up and film this try on haul. So I'm gonna be filming my H&M try on haul today. I'm gonna do my makeup. You guys are seeing the real rawness because I never come on like this. Like, this is my natural hair. I'm gonna do my hair and get ready and film and run some errands. So I decided to take you guys along because I just felt like vlogging today. So let's vlog. I'm in my bathroom. It has the best light. Oh my gosh, my room looks so messy. It's not that messy today, but it's still messy as usual. I'm watching Ashley Devana. She's a Dallas YouTuber, so I'm gonna show you guys me doing my hair, but like it's gonna be a time lapse because I just need some kind of background noise while I'm doing my hair to get me through. So let's get this hair done because I'm tired of looking like this. This is like my favorite, like, just get up and go wig. It's that wig, I think it's a few videos back, the Ultra wig. It was like 200 bucks. It lasts really well. So I love this wig. It's just, I hate the construction and it needs like a little more hair. So I think I may add some more hair to it in the next coming weeks, but I love this wig so much. It looks very natural and just easy for me to pop on and get on and go. I think I want to like kind of do like that crimp look today, so that's what I think I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and crimp my hair, so let's do that. Okay, so here's my hair. I didn't like fully finish. Sorry, I forgot my TV's on in the background. Let me close this door. Yeah, I didn't fully finish it because I really don't have time. I need to go ahead and start filming so I can go ahead and run my errands because things close early on Sunday. So I'm going to go ahead and start my makeup and yeah, get to filming. And this is the palette that we're going to be using today. So pretty. I bought this like a couple months ago and I haven't really used it yet, so let's do it. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my makeup and it turned out so good. You know what is so annoying? When you're not filming your makeup and it turns out really cute. When I'm filming, the makeup is not like this. It looks, but this is a look for today's video. I'm gonna try and film 2 hauls. I have a Fashion Nova haul, H&M, what else? I have a Shein order coming in soon, then my Black Friday haul. So make sure you're subscribed and follow my Instagram to keep up. Yeah, let's go ahead and film. I'm just so annoyed that my makeup turned out cute and I wasn't even filming it. Damn. I also have a date today, but I honestly don't feel like going. That's like the problem with me with dating, is that I never feel like going. Like, the time comes, I try to find a way to get out of it because it's like, is this worth my effort? Like, is it? I don't feel like meeting anybody, but I'm single. I want like someone to cuddle with, but I don't feel like meeting anybody new. So is anyone like kind of the same way? Let me know. So those are the clothes I'm about to film from H&M. Can you see them? Like right here. And let me show you guys my little makeups. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my little station or I film all the magic. This is the last outfit in the H&M haul. It's so hot. Filming like a try on haul, it can be kind of tiring. But this is the last outfit and I'm obsessed with it. Like, neutrals. I'm falling in love with having like a neutral outfit, even though this is kind of almost matching my skin, but I really like it. I don't know, it's just so cute. Yeah, so I'm finished filming. I just need to edit. I may like go to the mall later, so I may take you guys with me. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I'm just gonna start editing so I can hopefully have this video up on Tuesday. So yeah, I don't know if this vlog is gonna go up before the haul, but I will be posting a video on Tuesday. So yeah, let me go ahead and start editing and relax a little bit in some. You can totally see like my ring light glare in my glasses, which is kind of annoying. Sorry. So I'm back to checking in with you guys. I just took some pictures for my new like Christmassy intro for my videos for the next couple of months. And yeah, I'm working on that, and then working on the video, and then I may go to the mall in a couple of hours just to make some returns. And yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a bit. I'm gonna heat up some food. I had some leftover Wingstop from last night, so I'm gonna just eat that and just kind of chill. This is like a typical day. I'm a homebody, so I'm always at home. But yeah, I'll see you guys. And I feel like I come back looking a little different each time I get back on, but I want to make some coffee. I'm not like a big coffee drinker, but like for Black Friday, I'm giving you like a sneak peek of my Black Friday haul. But why is this filter doing that? We'll try this one. Okay, so I'm giving you guys a sneak peek of my like Black Friday haul. But I went to Target and I got a Keurig because they were only $49. So I'm gonna make me a coffee. I actually bought this in pink, and I tried to use it yesterday, and I don't know, it didn't work. Like, it actually caused my electricity to short in my apartment. So I took that one back, and I'm going to try this new one. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna return it altogether and make me some coffee. I feel very like, I don't know, cool, because I'm making some coffee. I don't make coffee ever, but yeah, I'm gonna try and make me some coffee and see how that goes. This is the coffee maker that I got, so we'll try and make coffee. Here is the little Keurig, just cute and simple. I think it'll look cute next to my air fryer. So I got the itis, and I did not end up leaving my apartment. It's like much later, but at least I'm actually halfway done editing. I actually went ahead and started editing this vlog, so that will be up as well. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen, because my kitchen, you probably saw in the previous clip that it's a little messy, and I just had my apartment cleaned a couple weeks ago and it's back messy again. Like, I really want to work and try to like clean as I go. I don't know why I don't do that. It's annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna clean, and then I'm gonna cook. I took out some ground beef to make some spaghetti, so I think I'm gonna make some spaghetti today. So I'll show you guys how I make my famous spaghetti. Let me take off my glasses because it's like making the filter do that. So let's get up and clean and cook some food. This is my son, Jack. His name is Jackson, but we call him Jack for short. Jack. You want some food? Want a treat? Want a treat? Come on, let's go get you. Okay, so I'm back in my kitchen, another outfit change. So I am about to start cooking the pasta and cleaning up my kitchen. So let me show you guys how I make my pasta. So I got my groceries delivered yesterday from Target, and I wanted to try out these two new pasta sauces that I saw. They got good reviews on the Target app. so I want to try them out. So I got this Good and Gather arrabbiata spicy pasta sauce made with Italian tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, Calabrian chilies, and hand cut basil. Like, I just thought that sounded so good, and I love spicy food. So this is like $5, so I hope it but I've never paid $5 for a bottle of pasta sauce, but it sounded really good. So I'm gonna try either that one, or I got this Bertolli Parmesan and Romano cracked pepper. So I don't know which one I want to try. I kind of want to try the spicy one, and I can just put some Parmesan sauce in it, or Parmesan cheese in it. So Amarata. I just hope it tastes good. I've never tried anything like this before, but this is like their signature line. Like, I'm like, okay, Target, stepping it up. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. I got this tip from a chef at my old job where he would put Alfredo sauce in his regular tomato pasta. So I've been trying it ever since, and I love it. I am obsessed with pesto sauce. Like, I just love it. It tastes so good. A little Salt Bae action. So here is my pasta. I will let you guys know how it tastes. Let's do a taste test on camera. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm nervous about trying like new things, so let's see. I know it's like really bad lighting right here. I need to get a lamp to put in my living room. Okay. It's good. I like it. I like it. That's good. I'm gonna watch some Vlogmas and I'll be back to end the vlog. But this vlog has been kind of long, so yeah, I'm gonna finish my food and I'll get back with you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back to kind of like close out the vlog, and I also brushed my hair because I was looking back at those clips and I'm like, damn, why did you not brush your hair, girl? Like, did you not notice your hair? But like, my thoughts on that pasta sauce, it was not spicy at all, like at all. I didn't taste any spiciness, so that was kind of a bummer, but it was good. I wouldn't buy it again, but it was good for what it was. And yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was actually pretty fun vlogging today, so I want to do it again, so I might vlog again. Let me know if you guys like these kind of vlogs. I do work from home, so I'm home most of the time, but I'm thinking about going out and doing something on Thursday when I'm off again, so I'm gonna for sure leave the house, so it won't be just me. Yeah, let me know down below what you would like to see. I'm so excited to get back into filming, like just filming videos. It like really just like, I don't know, it like fulfills me. And then like, especially when I edit, like you see everything come together. It's just, I love it. It's like a good feeling. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to take off this makeup. I'm going to take a shower and get ready for bed to go to work in the morning. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.